that Pakistan hosted the first extraordinary session of the Council of Foreign Ministers in Islamabad in January 1980. 41 years on, Pakistan is again obliged to host another extraordinary session to discuss the ongoing humanitarian crisis in the same country. It is unfortunate that the hardship and suffering of the Afghan people has not eased. The OIC, since the very beginning of Afghan crisis, has stood firmly by the people of Afghanistan, who we have the pleasure of having with us today, characterized Afghanistan as being in free fall. These are dire warnings by those with the most intimate and direct knowledge of the grave situation on the ground in Afghanistan. This is a moment to extend a collective helping hand. It is not the time to withhold support. Pakistan concurs with the UN Secretary General that humanitarian support must be provided without conditions. I am confident that I speak for the OIC membership today in reaffirming that this gathering is about the people of Afghanistan, and the only message it wishes to send is one of our unity of purpose and resolve.